Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com as well as your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. Should have some great weather today. Rare has been the 60-degree day over the last 2 weeks, but we should be back into the low 60s. A little more sun breaking through today, which will kind of help to scour out that very cold air. But of course, the weather headline for us the remainder of the week, just kind of keeping an eye on that Thanksgiving forecast, as we'll likely see a decent amount of rain come through. In fact, we could see a good inch or two of rain Thursday into Friday morning. So if you do have some Thanksgiving travel plans, should be in pretty good shape here through Wednesday evening. But the travel will be fairly difficult, I think, with the rain coming down Thursday morning. And then temperatures will likely level off here, low 60s for much of the week. But you can see high pressure kind of moving out of the way today. That will bring back a little more dry air across the Arklatex. So we'll wake up to some clouds this morning, but eventually the clouds will start to dissipate and go away. Do have a few rain showers just kind of slowly moving across Sabine as well as Natchitoches parishes. These should be out of here by the time we get to sunrise this morning, so I have not included any rain in the forecast. But where the clouds are still holding on, we are in the 40s, and where we've cleared out, our temperatures have slipped into the 30s here, so we're down to freezing this morning to Queen, Idabel, and Mount Pleasant, making for a frosty morning there. And high temperatures later today with the sun coming back to all areas should be upper 50s and low 60s. So again, should start to feel much better if you're out in the sunshine this afternoon. But the clouds returning quickly tomorrow. Our next storm system beginning to take shape here. You can see the trough of low pressure in the California coastline and a big piece of energy coming down from the Pacific Northwest. So those two things will be sliding towards us on Thanksgiving Day, and that's what's going to drive in next round of rain and isolated thunderstorms. So we'll take you all the way through Thanksgiving here. Look at your Robins Toyota Futurecast today, just showing the partly cloudy conditions. The clouds will start to ramp up tomorrow. There's not going to be a lot of rain here Wednesday, but we may see a few late day spotty showers, mainly across the northern Arklatex. And then once we get into Thanksgiving morning, you can see the rain takes over pretty quickly. So if you have some travel plans, maybe to head back towards Dallas or down towards Houston, maybe better to leave on Wednesday. I think Thursday morning there will be quite a bit of rain across the region and likely a few thunderstorms as well, but we are not in the severe weather outlook, so at this point we don't expect to see any severe weather, but there will be, again, some showers and storms out here at least through Thanksgiving night, and for Black Friday here we'll likely see some additional rain swing through. I think the forecast still a bit uncertain for Friday and Saturday, but I do have at least slight rain chances in for both days here. And just taking a look at the rainfall totals, this would just be through Friday morning. It is showing widespread accumulations, about 1 to 2 inches of rain, and most of that will be coming through on Thanksgiving Day. So that gives you an idea of just how soggy it will be out there on Thursday. Of course, as we head through the next 7 days here, dry weather tomorrow. We do level off here in the low 60s. Slight temperature drop behind the rain. Friday into Saturdays will be in the 50s, but it looks like most of that rain will wrap up as we hit the weekend here. And then a nice little warm-up may carry us back to 70 degrees or so early next week.